Koldkatcher oil conditioning system technology offers a very safe, reliable, cost-effective way to lower volatility of produced crude with an inherently high vapor pressure. The well site operation typically involves a pump jack, heater-treater, production storage tanks, and a flare or vapor recovery method. This process, however, may not be complete, as it can leave crude oil with an unsafe vapor pressure or high volatility due to the amount of natural gas liquids still entrained in the oil. The crude oil, once it has reached the production tank, quickly loses heat. The ability to flash off the entrained natural gas liquids, NGLs, diminishes greatly. Once transported, these natural gas liquids can turn to a gaseous state due to agitation or temperature changes. This pressure can put unnecessary stress on tank trucks and rail cars, creating a potentially unsafe or hazardous condition. Government, industry, and the communities in which we operate recognize the benefits energy production brings to the economy. It is essential that we work and communicate together to bring forth best practices to minimize these potential hazards. Technology and innovation have drastically changed how we operate within our environment. Industry has continued to improve and evolve to meet stringent safety regulations. Equipment needs to exceed strict environmental standards, worker health and safety guidelines, and operational excellence in order to meet the demands of the oil and gas industry. Koldkatcher has been a leading force in working with industry by introducing cleaner, safer, more advanced solutions to address operational heating and processing concerns challenging oil and gas production at the well site. The enhanced process begins by circulating the oil through a specially designed heat exchanger to encourage turbulent flow. This turbulence begins the stabilization process by separating the natural gas liquids from the oil. The turbulent flow also enhances heat transfer into the oil. The gasified oil then enters near the top of the tank through a diffuser above the fluid level. Applying heat on either side of the exchanger using explosion-proof natural gas-powered flameless heating technology further encourages the entrained natural gas liquids, NGLs, into vaporous form. The now vaporous light hydrocarbons safely exit the tank to flare or to be processed. The warm oil drops into the fluid column, where retention time and temperature take over to continue stabilizing the oil by gently releasing any remaining light ends. An added advantage is that the amount of gas that is actually being flared may not increase, as the heaters are using natural gas that would normally be flared. The tank contents become turned over, and the process continues with the incoming production of the well. The oil in the tank becomes essentially degasified, meeting or exceeding industry regulation. Testing is performed to confirm before shipment. Safe energy production is crucial to the health and well-being of everyone. Identifying technologies and implementing industry best practices to ensure oil has been correctly conditioned prior to shipment from the source will lower community concerns. The ability to minimize transport risks will ensure safe, sustainable, and ethical development of resources for generations to come. The addition of the Koldkatcher light oil conditioning system to the process elements is a safe, cost-effective, and reliable way to condition and stabilize light oil. Contact Koldkatcher for further discussions on flameless heater applications.